Welcome back. An Ahmedabad-based waste consultant will be testing the soil samples at Sonsador garbage dumping site to carry out tests for presence of heavy metals. The team is expected to visit the site again with heavy drilling machines for taking the soil samples. The work on the Sonsador dumps will commence thereafter.
Ahmedabad-based waste consultant visited Sonsador garbage dump recently. They also met the Margam Municipality Council to discuss various issues relating to the garbage capping. The team from Ahmedabad took soil samples to carry out tests for presence of heavy metals. But project engineer of Fomento, Shalom Sadinia, informed that manually drilling of all the points at the spot will consume much time.
Manual drilling जे आसा आणि 12 sampling points आसा जाल्यार भरपूर time लागतलो. And secondly, तुका result मेळपाक भरपूर कठीण कित्याक आमची हिंगा rocky soil आसता. पूण ते कितें म्हणटा की तांकां ते result मेळ्ळो आसा अहमदाबादान आणि अहमदाबादान जे consultant आसा ते अहमदाबाद based म्हणून आणि ते consultant जावन वगरी आमी तांकां ते कितें study करता ते आमी follow करूंक पडटा. आमी ते ना म्हणूंक जायना. आमी तांकां सजेस्ट करताले की जाता जाल्यार ड्रिलिंग मशीन हाडले बेगीन जातले आनी आमकांय रिजल्ट जाय न्हू कित्याक आमकां ते हे रिजल्टा वावरी आमकां उरलेले स्टेप घेवपाक मेळटा.
The team was in the state with manual drilling machines. However, the team is expected to return back with drilling equipment and collect more soil samples. Our reporter in Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
Now news from sports. Billiards and Snooker Association of Goa conducted a successful snooker workshop on Sunday at Miramar. Arjuna awardee Devendra Joshi and currently ranked 4th in India, Dhruv Sitwala, was satisfied with the turnout and talent on offer. Dhruv was more taken up with the newcomers, while Devendra imparted some vital tips to the state-level players. 27 freshers turned up for the morning session, while over 15 state-level billiard and snooker aspirants made their way for the workshop.
Secretary of the Billiards and Snookers Association of Goa, Nicholas D'Souza, gave a few details of the workshop.
Morning, about 27 kids came, about 7 girls, and the rest were all boys. They were from sub-junior level, from age 7. Out of these boys, we found about 3-4 boys who know to handle the stick, who know how to stand. I think the coaches have also seen them.
Dhruv is happy with the youngsters as well.
I found a lot of children from different schools. Around there were 50 children who are actually very much keen on making it to the green base. Now we went to the grassroots level to teach them how to stand, what should be the stance, what should be the playing techniques, how to have your eyesight on the balls, and all the basics of the game we wanted to actually teach them. And it was nice that they took much more interest in grasping the knowledge which we imparted.
While Devendra is looking to focus on the seniors.
I'm looking forward to the evening session because these are the guys who actually play the sport and how they can improve from here. That would be the crucial thing to explain to them. Well, today in this evening session, my main focus will be just to help them with their basics. If they are making any mistakes in their basics, just to correct those basics and give them some exercises where they can improve their consistency in potting.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Miramar.
Goa's Ranji skipper Robin D'Souza is hoping to continue the momentum Goa has gained in the Ranji Trophy. Goa are on the verge of qualifying for the Ranji Trophy plate knockout stage. Goa need one win of the remaining 2 matches that should secure their berth. Robin D'Souza was lauded coach Vivek Kolamkar and has called him a player's coach and one of the best he has played under. This makes Robin's task of captaining the side a far easier job. We caught up with the veteran quick to know how the team has fared under his leadership.
Robin claimed his first fifer of his career in Goa's first Ranji match of the season earlier this month. Thereafter, Robin has chipped away at the wickets and has done a fine job of leading the squad as well.
In fact, I think one of the best coaches I've come across, Vivek, who's basically a player's coach rather than being a coach in books and, like practical stuff and everything. We sit together, we work things out. There's a lot of strategy planned before in the evenings. Because, we work things out, we know what batsmen, where they are. So that's what his job is. When I go onto the field, I, study all those things. So homework is done there, everything is on the field after that. So that's what actually helped us against JNK and even Assam.
Robin has made a few changes to his bowling that has helped his performance.
So far happy but not satisfied. I want to do much better, much more better for the team's sake actually. Wickets are there to come, but I've changed my strategy. I've become more of an attacking bowler along with Saurabh.
We saw you in the Maharashtra match holding the ball in the left hand and running a lot like Zaid Khan, maybe trying for the reverse swing. So these are the new strategies you're talking about.
Yeah, I've actually worked on quite a few different kind of deliveries where I can actually fox the batsman. And yeah, I've managed to do that. So I've worked really hard in the off-season.
Probably won't be with the services of Shadab. Any plans on that front? How you plan?
Yeah, it's actually a blow for us because Shadab is a fantastic player. I needed him in the team. But it's a big blow for us. But yeah, I mean, whatever we have, we are brilliant. I'm very happy to have Swapnil back in the squad as well. So we're going to plan things out along with Vivek, and hopefully we could actually do well. I don't think we should hope, but we will actually.
From Porvoria, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Shamsundar Fatte.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.